The new LEGO Super Mario Piranha Plant. This new LEGO Super Mario Piranha Plant set has 390 pieces. Super Mario fans will enjoy building this posable LEGO Super Mario Piranha Plant. Very fine details of an iconic character from the Super Mario universe in LEGO style. Build this distinctive features of a piranha plant. Pose the head, mouth, stalk, and leaves of the Super Mario plant figure. Place the piranha in the brick-built pipe. This model measures over 3 inches high, 4.5 inches wide, and 6.5 inches deep. Gift idea for adults: this 540-piece LEGO building set makes a fun birthday present, a holiday gift, or special treat for Super Mario fans and anyone with a passion for gaming. Release date: November 6, 2023. $59.99 in the US.